welcome to my channel. My name is Alyssa. If you want to see how I got this purple green look inspired by my shirt, please keep watching. And that is the end of my video and how I got this purple green look. I was inspired by my shirt that I decided to wear today. It has purple flowers, and if you look really closely, it has some green leaves. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell if you want to be alerted when I post. I'm also on Instagram. I post videos and pictures on there, as well as stories, and sometimes I'm live.